What if I told you there's a side hustle in 2025 that not only survives a recession, but thrives because of it? No warehouses, no inventory, no massive startup costs, just you, your laptop, and a system that multiplies itself while the economy struggles. Well, that's what I'm going to show you today in this video. And stick with me until the end, because I'm going to give you the exact filters to pick recession-proof offers, plus the free tools that you can use to launch this today. Also, to give someone a head start in the industry, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this video. One lucky person will win lifetime access to my affiliate marketing masterclass course. So to be eligible to win, you need to be subscribed to the channel, like this video, and comment the word win below. Okay, so here's the hard truth. Most side hustles collapse the moment money gets tight. Dropshipping dies fast in an economic downturn. Why? Well, because nobody needs another $40 gadget shipped from China when they're worried about paying their own bills. Not to mention, it's hard to compete because why would somebody spend $40 on something from Amazon that they can buy themselves from Temu for $1? Amazon FBA? Same story. You're competing against billion-dollar corporations who can undercut you on price and outspend you on ads. Even freelancing isn't safe because in a recession, businesses slash budgets, and the first thing to go? Extra freelance projects. That's why 9 out of 10 popular side hustles completely fail when the economy dips, because they're built on luxuries rather than needs. But there's one model that not only holds strong, but actually benefits from the uncertainty, and that's affiliate marketing. Instead of gambling on products that may or may not sell, you promote proven digital products and subscriptions that solve real problems that people can't ignore, like saving money, which is crucial during a recession, learning new skills, improving health, or creating extra income streams. Perfect again for a recession. And because these products are digital, the margins are huge. That means affiliates like you can earn 50% commissions without needing a factory or a warehouse or to be paying thousands to Amazon in storage fees. So why does affiliate marketing thrive when everything else falls apart? 2 words: human needs. When times get tough, people don't stop spending. They just shift where they spend it. Luxuries get cut, but essentials and solutions stay. Think about it. Someone drowning in debt isn't browsing for a new smartwatch. They're searching for how to save $500 a month. Someone stressed about layoffs isn't looking for designer sneakers. They're looking for ways to make income from home. And someone struggling with their health and their budget isn't dropping their workout routine. They're doubling down on affordable solutions that actually work. That means the $50 a month gym membership would get swapped for a $15 a month home workout program and fitness tracker. So you can easily see how an affiliate promoting that $15 a month subscription and earning strong commissions on it could actually make more money during a recession. Affiliate marketing thrives in economic downturns because you're selling solutions to problems. Products people feel like they need to buy even in a downturn, and because they're digital, you can sell them infinitely and instantly and globally. No shipping delays, no inventory costs, just clean, scalable income. So how do you pick the right offers? Well, you run them through what I call the Recession Filter System. So filter 1 is urgency. Does this product solve a problem people must fix right now? Things like money, health, relationships, or their career. If it doesn't touch a pain point, it won't sell when budgets are tight. Filter 2 is affordability. Stick to the $20 to $100 range. That's the comfort zone where people think, I can justify this. If it's too cheap, it feels like junk. And if it's too expensive, it feels too risky. And the third filter is reoccurring value. This is the big one. Subscriptions are your snowball. A $30 a month membership or tool with 50% commissions pays you $15 per person per month. Add 100 subscribers and you've locked in $1,500 a month every month on repeat. Let's say you promote a $97 digital course at 50% commissions. So that pays you $48.50 per sale. Then you pair it with a $30 a month subscription at 50% commissions. So that's $15 every month. If you sell just 100 subscriptions, that's $1,500 a month in reoccurring income. Combine it with 30 course sales and you're already at over $3K a month. Push further and you're easily hitting 5k to 10k even while the economy shrinks. This is why affiliate marketing thrives, because while everyone else is chasing pennies, you're stacking predictable reoccurring revenue. Think of it like this: most side hustles are like building sandcastles on the beach. They look good, but the moment the tide comes in, they get completely washed away. Affiliate marketing is like building on bedrock. The foundation is human needs, like money, health, relationships, freedom, and those, well, they never go away. If anything, they get sharper in a recession. That's why instead of collapsing, this side hustle grows stronger and stronger. So here's the bottom line. The side hustles everyone hypes up, well, they crumble in recessions. But affiliate marketing, when you pick the right offers, of course, well, it's recession-proof. It's affordable to start, it's simple to scale, and it's built on solving problems that people will always pay to solve. So if you want to build a recession-proof business with affiliate marketing and you want to shortcut the whole process, then I've put together a free affiliate starter pack. Inside it, you'll get proven niches, funnel templates, and the exact tools you need to launch fast. There's a link to that in the description below. Lastly, don't forget I'm giving away a copy of my affiliate marketing masterclass course. It's a comprehensive course that's great for getting started in the industry. To be eligible to win, you need to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment "win" below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.